Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about eggs and we'll show you how to cook some eggs. What eggs are we cooking today, Amelia?
We'll be doing boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
That's right. And do you think eggs are healthy?
Yes, they are healthy.
Where do you think eggs come from?
Chickens.
Do you like chickens?
Yes.
You do. And do you think chickens eat healthily too?
Yes.
They do. Well done. Right. So what do you think we need then for the eggs? So today we're going to be doing the scrambled eggs and we're going to show you how to boil some eggs. So what we'll need, Millie? We'll need one of those. What is that?
A frying pan.
Frying pan, absolutely.
And a saucepan.
And a saucepan to boil the eggs as well.
And butter. And we also need to have 2 bowls, like this one for the eggshells and this one for the eggs we'll be using.
Absolutely.
And a whisk, and also we got
A spatula.
a spatula.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to break an egg, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to break an egg gently?
Yes.
Okay. So make sure, forget. We have to tell guys, what's the first thing we've got to do before you touch the food?
Wash our hands.
Absolutely. And why is it so important?
So if we don't wash our hands before we start cooking, the germs will go onto our food we are cooking, and then
Absolutely.
our germs will go into our body, and then we won't feel well.
That's right. So
We
it's the
have
first
a-
rule of the kitchen, make sure you wash your hands before you touch any food. Right. So why don't you show me how to break an egg gently? We hold the bowl, you tap it gently. A little bit more. Sometimes they're really tough, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do a little bit more. Why don't we do it together?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you pick up an egg, we
And
tap it
crack
gently.
it.
We felt it crack, didn't we?
Yes.
And now the crack appeared. Let's open it up.
Yes, and
And
there we go.
There we go.
We got our first egg
Yeah,
in the bowl.
exactly. So now, why don't we whisk an egg? So pick up your whisk and show everybody how to do it. Make sure you hold the bowl. Yeah.
You put one hand on the bowl and the other hand holds the whisk to whisk up the egg you want.
Absolutely. That's nice. Look at that.
And it turns the egg
Yeah,
into
if you
a
just
lot
make sure
of
everybody can see the
liquid,
egg.
it does.
That's right. Is it
And
your...
the more you mix, the more liquidy the egg comes.
Yes, it all mixes together really well, doesn't it?
And the orange turns a bit more orangey and darker orange.
That's right. Eggs are really good for you, aren't they? They make you grow big and strong. They're full of protein.
And the inside is also very good for you, because you can turn big and strong if you eat the egg, because the inside has so many vitamins for you.
That's
which is good.
absolutely. So that's it now. It's all mixed
So
together.
anything bad that is in your tummy, the vitamins that you eat the egg will come into your tummy and you will feel all better.
That's right.
All
That's
the bad
well
stuff
done.
will come on.
Why
if
don't we
you
show
eat
the guys?
it.
Look, it's all mixed together. It's now gone from 2 colours, didn't it? From
Yeah.
2 separate egg yolk
And
and egg
now
white.
it turns very light, just like yellow is.
It is very nice.
It's still orange, but it's a bit later.
It is indeed. So shall we go to the hob now and let's cook Mummy some scrambled eggs?
Now we're going to cook some scrambled eggs.
Absolutely. It's very important to have an adult nearby, isn't it? Because frying
Yeah.
pans do get very hot.
And also the hobs can be very hot.
Absolutely. So first thing, we've got some butter. Why do we need butter to add on?
So we need butter to put in the frying pan, because if we don't put it in, the egg will stick. But if we do put the butter in, the egg won't stick. And then we will have our own boiled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Yeah. And the butter makes the eggs taste very yummy too, doesn't it?
Yes.
Right, so why don't we add on some butter in there?
Yes. Scoop it up. Put it
Here
in.
we go. Well done. Right. Let's put this aside. Oh, look at that melting now, isn't it?
The butter is now melting.
Do you like butter?
Yes.
Do you think butter is healthy?
Kind of.
Kind of, in small quantities. But what else could we use there to cook our egg?
We could also use olive oil so the egg doesn't stick to the frying pan when we cook.
Absolutely, we can use olive oil, aren't we?
Or butter.
Or butter.
It
Which one's
doesn't
your
look-
favourite?
Butter is my favorite.
Is it? Of course it is. Right, so.
You can milk just like liquid.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the egg's done when we stirred it up.
Yeah, absolutely. So would you like to add some eggs?
Yes.
Right, let's do it. I'll hold the pan gently.
And I pour it in.
Yeah, got it?
I can do it, Mummy. I don't need help.
Okay. There we are. Well done. And now, important thing is to keep mixing, isn't it? So hold the frying pan in one hand. Okay, right. Mix in a little bit and then leave it. Okay, leave it for a bit. Want to see it start cooking, aren't we? I'm going to turn this up a little bit. It's amazing how they changed, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like eggs?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
Eggs and butter.
Eggs and butter, yes. Everybody's favorite, isn't it? So it's time now to start mixing the eggs. Oh, look at that. A ripple effect. This is, yeah. So gently, we have to be very gentle with them.
Because if we break the egg, it won't be that looking good scrambled.
Well, that's pretty much now. It's not scrambled egg. It looks like a very good omelette, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Well, omelettes are also rather healthy, aren't they?
Yeah.
I just mix it together, make sure it's all
So
scrambled
it's
up.
very good and tasty.
Yeah.
Make it more scrambled up to be a best scrambled egg ever.
We make sure all the parts are cooked, aren't we? Can't have raw egg, because raw eggs can give you tummy.
A tummy ache.
Exactly.
And it won't very taste good.
No.
So that's why we don't eat raw eggs.
No. I think we're done, aren't we? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
How do we know it's done? You can see it's no longer liquid. Yeah?
We know it's done because it's not liquid and it's also already been finished up because it's not liquid now.
Okay,
and now
so let's
it's
turn it
all
off.
been turned up into little boxes and rectangles and flat
Absolutely.
pancakes.
So, this is a bowl, so let's put your lovely eggs in here.
Yes, which will be quite tasty.
Yeah? You want to do that? Well done. Okay. So now this is our scrambled eggs. Do you want to give them a go again?
Yep.
Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Well
Pretty
done.
good.
Yeah? That's awesome. Right. So next thing now, shall we boil an egg? And we talk about the boiled eggs, yes?
Yeah.
So what do you need for this? We now need to have,
Some hot water.
well, we need a saucepan first, don't we? So
Yes.
let's grab the saucepan. So now I have a saucepan and we've put some water in it. So before we do the egg, and we're going to do the egg, the hard boiled egg, which means it's going to be really hard inside. One of your favorites too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now let's bring the water to the boil. It's very
and put
important.
the eggs into the boiled water.
It's very important not to touch the saucepan because it does get very hot.
So make sure you stay on your side with the grown-up so you don't hurt yourself. Because if you don't stand on the side when you use hot and sharp materials, you might hurt yourself.
That's a very good point, Amelia. Thank you. That's a very good tip. Always have to have an adult nearby unless you know what you're doing when you grow up.
As you see the smoke coming out of the saucepan, that means it's getting really hot.
It is indeed. It's almost time to put our egg in. It's very important to put the egg. These are the room temperature because what happens if we put the cold egg in there?
It will crack.
It will crack. It will make a mess absolutely everywhere.
And we don't want that.
But you don't want that.
Because we have to make this the best egg ever.
Absolutely. So now the best way, let's just turn it down for a second. We're going to use a big spoon now, which put the egg in there. Yeah, do this with Mummy. We have to be really gentle so we don't drop the egg because it also will crack. Okay, and now all we have to do is to wait 7 minutes until it's cooked. Okay, so our egg is now cooked and we're going to be turning the hob off and we're going to unplug that so we don't get sound. And it did chill out just a little bit, so it's not overly hot now. So we use the spoon. We'll get this out carefully. Okay, let me dispose of that. So now, shall we peel an egg? Would you like to peel an egg? Here we go. What do? We gently tap it, don't we? You can tap it a bit harder. Yeah, and then we peel that. Do you mind me give you a hand?
It's very fun when you do it.
It's very fun, yes, okay. So peel that. The shell is really hard, isn't it?
Yes.
It's what protects the egg.
But if you have a crack in the shell, it'd be much easier because your nails go into the crack and then it'd be easier for you to get it out.
Exactly. Well done.
Here's the egg.
Nice, peeled and ready to eat. Would you like to give it a taste?
Yes.
Come on, Chef Amelia.
Very good.
It is very good. It's a very good healthy snack, isn't it? So what's your favourite? You got a scrambled egg or you have a boiled egg?
I'll go with both.
You like both. They're both very, very healthy. What else can we make with eggs, Amelia?
We can also make egg on toast.
We can make egg on toast. Exactly. What else can we make?
We could also make like regular eggs.
Regular eggs, you mean like we can make an omelette? Is that super tasty?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
It is very, very good. It is a really good, healthy snack, isn't it? Well,
Yeah,
that's it now, guys. Well, hopefully we explained a little bit about the eggs. It was very easy to cook, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you find it easy?
Yep.
Yeah? And you like the eggs, which is really, really good? Make it grow big and strong. You can show the inside, absolutely. You want to show the yolk? Okay. Be careful. Amelia wants to share. Wow.
This is the inside of the egg.
Which one part is your favorite? The yellow one or the white one?
It's definitely the yellow one.
So which one is the yellow called? What is it called?
It's called the inside, which is healthy.
The yellow one is egg yolk and the white one is egg white. Yeah?
The yolk is very good and it has so many vitamins for you to eat.
It does indeed.
And when you eat the inside, the yolk, it will be very healthy for you and you will have so many vitamins. And anything bad that gets in your tummy, this will help you get it out.
That's absolutely. Well, hopefully, guys, you have enjoyed that little video. It's your first one. Yeah, well, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And thank you very much for watching. I guess we'll see you on the next video.
And see the next video that will come up when we do another one.
Bye-bye.
In Millie's Adventures.